New Jersey leader calls for limited state of emergency as the UFO drone mystery deepens. The New Jersey state senator called for a limited state of emergency Tuesday as the mystery surrounding large drones flying over the Garden State continues to deepen. The state of New Jersey should issue a limited state of emergency, banning all drones until the public receives an explanation regarding these multiple sightings, Republican New Jersey State Senator John Branmick said in a press release. Reports of large drones flying over President-elect Donald Trump's Bedminster golf course and near military research sites in New Jersey have been on the rise in recent weeks. On Monday, Governor Phil Murphy announced there were dozens of reports of drones on Sunday alone. So we are certainly aware, the President is aware, we are closely tracking the activity and coordinating closely with relative agencies, including DHS and FBI, to continue to investigate these incidents, Jean-Pierre said before adding that she did not have anything else to share. Obviously, this is something the DHS and FBI are tracking very, very closely. When pressed if the federal government had ruled out that the drones are being controlled by foreign entities, Jean-Pierre promptly responded, yeah. The Federal Aviation Administration first received reports of drone activity November 18 in Morris County, which is nearly 2 miles north of Trump National Golf Club Bedminster in Somerset County. Since then, sightings have occurred a few miles north of Bedminster in Mendham and Parsippany and other places across the Garden State. On Monday, Murphy said that there were 49 reports of drones Sunday, mostly in Hunterdon County. The Democratic governor said his numbers also included possible sightings and potentially the same drone being reported more than once. Federal lawmakers from the state have expressed a degree of concern about the drones, regardless of the side of the aisle that they're on. My office has been in communication with Governor Murphy's office and our federal agency partners, Senator Cory Booker, Democrat, New Jersey, said in a post on X. While the drones currently pose no known threat to the public, my team and I will continue to monitor the situation closely, he said. Booker also penned a letter to DHS Secretary Alejandro Mayorkas, FBI Director Christopher Wray, and Department of Transportation Secretary Pete Buttigieg Tuesday, seeking better transparency and comprehension briefing on drone activity over New Jersey. Over the past several weeks, there have been multiple confirmed sightings of unexplained drone activity over New Jersey communities and military installations, Booker said. I recognize the need to maintain operational security of ongoing investigations and that this situation requires complex interagency coordination. However, there is a growing sense of uncertainty and urgency across the state from constituents and local officials alike. Despite assurances that the drones pose no known threats to public safety, as such, I urge you to share any relevant information about these drone sightings with the public. Without transparency, I believe that rumors, fear, and misinformation will continue to spread. One restriction covers an area near Solberg, Hunterdon County Airport that consists of airspace above Trump Bedminster. Flights are also banned over Picatinny Arsenal, a major U.S. Army hub in Dover, New Jersey, geared towards research and development via its CCD-CAC Armament Center. The ban remained in place over Trump Bedminster through last week, and the ban over Picatinny Arsenal will remain in place until December 26. This is from Fox News. Charles Kreitz and Morgan Phillips on DNYUZ. Please leave your comments and thank you for your support. Please support my Patreon account. The daily posts are 5 videos daily and they are totally different from what I have on my YouTube channel. Thank you so much for your support and that you find all my content so interesting. You'll find the Patreon account details in the description box below.